Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to remove DVD-ROM from Lenovo C380 all-in-one PC. So stay tuned. We will remove the back part first. Just turn it and it will remove. You can change or upgrade RAM HDD from here. I will remove DVD-ROM. This is a DVD-ROM. If you turn it look like that, it will not remove. This is lock. You will see here. You just press downward and it will remove. Again, you will see it will turn and remove. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.